All right, guys. We'll do some interior work at some point, but we're done. We're done. We're painted, and we're done. We got it matching the other shed. We got the roof lined up proper, I think. Got our ramp built. Paint's drying. Thank God for the paint sprayer. Got this thing 2 coats in no time flat. And then we went ahead and knocked out a coat for the old shed, so they're matching. Went through about 4 gallons of paint to do both these together. Got the big 5-gallon bucket over there. Got about a gallon left. We'll buy another couple gallons at some point and match the workshop color. But you know, a little yard work over here. Get some fresh stones. Maybe put a little outdoor clear cover here. And built the shed, man. Built the shed. Next, back to the van.